Magupit ko kaya? Don't hold back. New Sunsilk with active infusion with oils, vitamins, proteins. For long hair that's 3 times stronger and thicker looking. Grow lang ng grow para go ka lang ng go. New Sunsilk.
Si Bunso, sasali sa pageant.
Kaya lang mahal ang gown.
Di kailangan gumastos para makipagsabayan. Tulad sa panlaba, piliin ang mais. You serve with Active Clean. Magaling magpaputi, may best ever bango pa.
Galing ng mamahalin. Surf.
Kulang ang regular painkillers. Kung nerve damage ang ugat ng back pain, mag-Dol Neurobion. May paracetamol to help relieve muscle pain and B vitamins to support nerve regeneration.
Lagi siyang bibo, kaya may BO. Caused by germs. Mag-Safeguard Lemon na. Unlike ordinary soaps, it helps prevent germs from growing for up to 24 hours.
Safeguard thing.
Buhag hair! Oh my! Pansin na ng friends mo at 3 p.m.? Ordinary conditioner, baka kulang yan. That's why I switch
To Pantene's first supplement conditioner with provitamin and real keratin.
repairs 3 times damage from the inside. Unlike an ordinary conditioner, Pantene gives less frizz and smoothness all day. Try Pantene Supplement Conditioner. Favorite ko? Kopi ko blanca.
Delicious ba?
Di lang yarn. Creamy? Di lang yarn. Ito pa, gentle din sa tummy. Switch na! Kopi ko blanca. Creamy, gentle sa tummy. There's a new world of lavender scent you'd love to get lost in. 100% French lavender essential oil. Downy French lavender. For a relaxing lavender scent that lasts all day. Downy French lavender. Also available in sachet. Strong, tall, pero hirap matuto. Ang development, di dapat maisip. So, upgraded ang all-around development. Developed side with
All around development from lactose free
with Palmolive Naturals. Gandang natural. Mag 1, 2, 3 pet with Palmolive Naturals.
Steak, hot daw sa sikap. Sika, hot daw sa energy. Hot daw sa steak. Hot daw sa steak. 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 Hot daw sa energy. Hot daw sa sarap.
Hello? Yes po, I'm just confirming my reservation later for 2 at 8 p.m. Yes po. Thank you.
Bango ah. Hindi natin, Dok ah. May date ka, Dok?